Welcome to Nuer Tube. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about English for students in the classroom. And wale banangich katong nath ke English katong nath ke Nuer language radio gora. If you are new to this channel and this is your first time, I would like you to help me by subscribing to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about English for students in the classroom. And wale banangich ka tok English kana tok nuari ka kwi gan tinti dwel gora. Bungisha ka kwi gan tinti rei dwel gorka. I hope this lesson can help you, and I would suggest that please share it or comment below after you finish watching this lesson. Well, English for students in the classroom, it will help you on how to greet someone in English and also in thok nath. In this lesson, I will use thok nath or both of them, English and thok nath. Okay. Kajan ngichame barach ka thok English matot kana thok nuare ko tincha gorgwasame thandien thok English kana thok nuare. Chadua badan dong deran da mal der je take keja ke der or lat keja no sherami minyu je dua badan and de right keja basically gwazame greetings and introduction kajan listen king icha bana gor gwasame greeting aner chol konener kie male kana laran karode ala introduction take a dup to want de road lat keja. There are so many ways that you can greet somebody or when you want to introduce yourself to somebody. But here I only put some of the basic that I know that they can help you or anyone. Tichalat gwasame kamaleni kenela dan der aro da lat keje. Ko geje no dong der jilwak ke der aro den der jilwak. Chana jetok. Greetings, it mean ner or male in thok nath. Good morning, everyone. Male kerunwang yendial. Kanwari, shikonde lar nono. Direct translation, malare jeno good morning, everyone. Male kerunwang yendial. Kakon chikono malalar bane kabab kendial. No, we don't say like that. Deran lar nene, nere ye kerunwang yendial. Yendial nere ye kerunwang. In whatever ways you can say it in thok nath, it will work. Male kerunwang yendial or yendial male kerunwang. Nere ye kerunwang yendial. I would prepare this second one. Nere ye kerunwang yendial. Neme jen dana noka. Mil jograni good morning everyone. Good morning male kerunwang ke thok nath. Mishi everyone chijo Martin. Good morning everyone. Everyone eneran. Chere ki yendial ki eneran mate gwasamo. Good morning everyone. Nere ye kerunwang yendial. Ki yendial nere ye kerunwang. Mugor ye gwadame. Nere ye kerunwang yendial. Dong dere ye gor na mugor je. No, duob dan dere gor ke je. It depends on how you want it to sound or how you feel like to say it in thok nath. Nere ye kerunwang yendial. Yendial nere ye kerunwang. Maybe you can write it this way. Yen dial nereya karunwa. Ena duwa guje dere user ne katong nath dere lar. Male karunwang yen dial. Nere ya karunwang yen dial. Nere ya karunwang yen dial. Yen dial nere ya karunwang. So whatever way works, you can use it. This is how you can say it. Good morning, everyone, in Tong Nath. How are you today? How are you today? Wedi kajian wale. Wedi kajian wale. This is singular. Wedi kaya and wale. Plural. Wedi kajian wale mean how are you today? Wedi kayan wale. This is plural. This is how you can say how are you today. But how are you alone mean wedi kaji. And wale mean today. Today and wale. Let me put it here. And wale mean today. Okay. And now how are you? How are you mean we idi keji. And now this is question form. Dere lar no. So dio je tiaka long how are you today? We idi keji and wale. We idi keji and wale. This is plural and this is singular. Okay. And wale today how are you? We idi keji. Okay, this is how you can say it in English and also in Thok Nath or Nuer language. Number 2, introductions. How to be able to introduce yourself to your friend. Okay, or when as somebody who is teaching others, how you can say it to others. This is introduction. Muloni tuk dora katong nath. Tuk dora kiela dora. Tuk dora milari kenyam. A ken class talk. Before you start the class, you should say it introduction. Okay, let's go ahead. Today we will learn about blank space. Today we will learn about Dutch. Today mean enwale bikongish ke kui something. Like today we will learn about something. You have to write something here. The topic that you are going to learn or that you are going to teach today. Let's say it thok nath. Today we are going to learn about thok nath. You can say that. En wale banangish ke kui thok nath. Or today banangish ke thok nath. So depending on how you want it to sound, you can use any of these. En wale bikongi ke kui thok nath. Okay, let's move on. Here's another way of how to do introduction. Let's start our lesson with a quick review. Let's start our lesson with a quick review. In Thong Nath, lar ko nene. De lar ka dupti gold no men chak war pin kwas men and gor bi ngaj bona. Chana ngi dan tok ka gwe dan ka men bana ngej. Chana ngi dan tok ka gwe dan ka men bana ngej. Okay? Let's start our lesson with a quick review. Quick review do bdan ngwi na mo do bdan lede je kan yenore da dong de na jog lede ne te na chibok kan yen le bgwasomo. Learning introduction ki tog ne je tuk doren kwala short introduction ge je. Let's start our lesson with quick review. Chana ngi dan tok ka gwe dan ka men bana ngej. Let's start our lesson with a quick review. We're done with introduction. Ke kon tok ka tuk dora ke la dora bana wa ka basic class command. Basic class command, basic classroom command. These are the things that you say to your student when you are in the class. Rwanyitin tiak ten lalat ke duel ngisha. Te ke roin te tiak te lalat ke duel ngisha eno. Ati ti temshal instruction. Instruction chere ke duptin gorka. Duptin gorka ki tinde gadul gorka ka gor akan shal ke instruction one. Di jogondo guri duptiti follow this instruction. Me jin gadul gorka be duptin content chai jogo bu gor bika shungach. Let's start with please open your book to page dash. Please open your book to page, let's say 40. Page 40. Gwada me liam kaji, liam ye laba bugdun ka page en jen ngwandien. Mudong chi jeg de shilat, or you know the page number that you want your student to open. So you can say please open your book to page 40. Liam ye laba bugdun ka page en jen ngwandien. Please ame lodeni milimuran please liamaji mungwana di larbono liamaya, but this one neto one liamaya lapo bugdun kapich engine wandian. Another one here, how to command in the classroom. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Liangaja ketit kakara. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Liangaja ketit kakara. Liangaja ketit kakara. Repeat me carry ran. Repeat carry me carry ran. Ki nyoko man chala rada di nyoko jaka malareja. Chale carry. Liangaja ketit kakara. When you are speaking, this word carry means repeat, but this one, when you are speaking, a word will change the sound. When we say repeat, repeat alone mean carry, carry. But when you put it in the sentence, it will change the meaning. Repeat become carry, like mimicking word in English. Carry. Okay, let's move on to the next lesson here. Write this in your notebooks. We are still in command. Write this in your notebook. Write mean gwar. Gwar meme rei bong nukun. Gwar meme rei bong nukun. Tangun lakona gor nene. Gwar neme rei bok ni kun. Kibi lari gwar meme rei bong nukun. Meme akel this meme kien neme. Mika tungwan ba ka chole titi, gwara titi, rei bong nukun. Write this in your notebooks. Dungno this, write this in your notebook. Gwara meme rei bong nukun, gwara neme rei bong nukun. You can use any of these depending on how it sounds to you. Okay. Next one, on the command section in the classroom, you can say it. Raise your hand if you have a question. Raise your hand if you have a question. Shung niti dunyal miti ketich. Alama go rano betike kala de larde. Raise your hand if you have a question. Miti ketich chung ti dunyal. Dong de ruwe ta ketich. I have a question. De gorbon mugoroja. You can say that. I have a question. Raise your hand if you have a question. We are done there. Let's come to this site here. Encouragement. Encouragement. Ashwam. mi shumran ki mi jugrani shinemeleli nene mi shumran chi shomjek shomgwa. Like in English we can say good job. This is encouragement. Good job. You done well. Katungna de kon lar shileda gwa. Shileda gwa. Good job. Shileda gwa. Keep it up. Werkawanyam. Keep it up. Werkawanyam. That is correct. Ajan lode. Kie ajan jegde. Ajan lode. Kie ajan jegde. I think these are easy. This is how you can say it when you want to encourage somebody. Good job. Keep it up. That is correct. Etc. Remember, these are simply basics. Titi katin taktiakian. Encouragement kie shom katongnat mi shom rande relare chileda gwa werka wonyam ajan lode ajan jegde awewe. Titi kan taktiakan kontin lat kon ketam. Common phrases for students. Dobniri ni ka kwigan ngisha. Common phrases for student. Dobniri ni ka kwigan ngisha. I love phrases shirikan ke sentences. And or this sentence on how to construct a sentence. That's what I mean by phrases here. Titi katin taktia ketin kontin de dobri and de latkaja. A gadwil gorka mitik redwil gorka. Mitik a kel ke ngesh ken dongli rante jano ne. Number one here, asking question. Mitieji teach, asking question. Can you explain that again, please? Can you explain that again, please? Liameji, shie denyok kelat. Mitieji ka kaladong chi teacher ki ngi cha right dungno kenyeling. Can you explain that again, please? Liameji shie denyok kelat. Polite. Right mugwa kaloy mugwa. I don't understand. Can you help me? Share the look and shubloida. And shubloida, share the look. In either way of this, you can say it in thok nath or in word. Okay. Share shubloida simply. Share shubloida. Share the look. You can say this in thok nath. Share the look. You can use any of these. Share the look and shubloida. I don't understand. Can you help me? Next one is participating in classroom. Participating in classroom. Royni katin lat ke redwel gora. Ala jin ran miti redwel gor katin kone der lat. Royni katin lat ke redwel gorka. Ki royni katin kon lat ke redwel gorka. Participating in class. Miti am lat ke biyigutan. I have a question. Kel, miti Micheling, like when you want to ask something, you can say, I have a question, like you want to ask something that you don't understand. I have a question. And teach. I have a question, simply. And teach. And teach. I have a question. May I answer this question? May I answer this question? And shantiya me jig the deloch. And shantiya me jig the delo. You can say it in different way in Tokna. Di larka dupti gol bane. Angum shan jig the loch. Angum shantiya mo jig the loch. De larbonona. And shan jig the deloch. And chan tiya me jig the deluge, because this is a question that you would like to answer. You can say, and chan tiya me jig the deluge. You can say it in different way. Okay. May I answer this question? And chan tiya me jig the deluge. Number 3, polite request. Polite request. A dobadandi dodi larkaje kalash me go ki kalash metel gak. You can say that. Like when you want to say something, like you are making a person, or you're showing personal respect, that you respect that person, you can say it politely, like when you want to ask a question or you want to say anything. Okay. Let's say you're in the classroom and you want to say something. You can say, may I go to the restroom? May I go to the restroom? This is polite. Maluji duor ka losh mugwa. Ki maluji duor agwa ka duo mshira mashade ga akaje. May I go to the classroom? And chande udul gor and chande udul longa. Okay. Of course, there's different way here. Okay, I don't want to say it in Tongue Nath. Could take a drop the dim day larkaja. And chande udul longa. Tango de lare. Watch on it. No. Warar. Waka toilet. Ki wagwadam. De lare no. But duobanguanajan, which I prepared, okay, or you can prepare it like you can say it this way, which is polite, and chando do longa, and chando do longa, and chando longa, and goro do longa. I want to go to the restroom, and goro do longa. May I go to the restroom? Name correct way, and chando do longa. Atiakano. Can I borrow a pencil, please? Can I borrow a pencil, please? Angushan galam jas dudeno, liameji. Tango ndi larnene. Liameji, angu chan galam jas du deno. Di larno, okay, you can say it that way. Ala pencil shale galam jat. Okay, you can say like that. Kide shalwa pencil, it depends. You can also say it. Angu mishan pencil den. Angu mishan jilim ke pencilu mo. Liamaji, like that. Okay, you can say it anyway. You can. Angu mishan jilim ke pencil mo. Okay. They lare no. Okay, can I borrow a pencil, please? Can I borrow your pencil, please? But simply here, can I borrow a pencil, please? Angum shan lim ke pencil. Angum mi shan lim ke pencil mo. Liamaji. Okay, kia luaga ke pencil. Luaga ke pencil. I think this I prepared this. Okay. The another activity that we are going to do is practice activities. Practice activities. Practice activities, these are the things that you do when you're done a lesson, like, or you get a lesson from your instructor or from your teacher, and then your teacher will give you an activity to do. Okay, and there is other thing that you can do when you want to, like, saying something. Okay, when you want to practice. Practice activities chalka ke ngi ke kwi tem ran karode. Ngi ke kwi tem ran karode. Like a speaking practice. Name cherami rachi tem karach. Speaking practice tem karach, like mitamrod karaju kadur. You want to say something, you have to speak it louder. Like we lark la verbal. Okay. Let's practice a conversation about Dutch. Okay. Shana rodan ngi karach ke kwi. You say something there. Let's say thok nath. Okay, thok nath. Okay, about thok nath here. Let's put it as an example. Let's practice a conversation about thok nath. You can say it. How are you, male ka thok nath? I am fine, mal point. Okay, in such way you can converse in thok nath. Shan rodan ngi karai ke kwi thok nath. Let's practice a conversation about this. Okay, no more kel. Example here, shirt. Example key shirt. A. What is your name? What is your name? Shall Shududi. What is your name? Shall Shududi in Tongnat. What is your name? Shall Shududi. My name is Dutch. Shall Shuda. Then you have to mention, let me put a name here. Gat which. My name is Gat which. Shall Shuda Gat which. Gat which is a name of a person. My name is Gat which. Shall Shuda Gat which. Writing practice. Writing practice. Temrodu ka gwaru ka duor. Temrodu ka gwaru ka duor. Write 5 sentences about your favorite hobby. Godub riene dang diech ka kwitin nok loy duke. Hobby katin konti noki. Write 5 sentences about your favorite hobby. Remember, sentences, sentence dobrita, sentences ka domne rieni. Chai kulu jogu gor domne rieni dang diech ka kwitin nok loy duke. Your hobby, monogomo. Broad practice ka guardian ka thok nath. Practice spelling these words. Wangi rodu, kietam rodu, ka ladu ka guardian titi. Mishaji jogene, let's say, bone, arm, eye. You know, ear, ka thok nath dong de jogono tam rodu ka ladu ka guardian titi. Ala gore ke ban. Jeke shua, okay, and okay, let do something here. Shua, comma, arm, tet, I, one. Okay, the jogono gorka ka thok nath ala gore ka bane. Practice spelling this word. Ala gor nika. The jogo gor shua, gor tet, gor one. Okay, such things. Number 3 here, reading practice. Reading practice malode temrodu ka kwendu ka titi. Kie temrodu ka kwendu ka duor. Bi kwen ka jaw. Read this paragraph out loud. Kwen paragraph ka jaw muong. Kwen paragraph eme, okay? Read this paragraph. Kwen paragraph eme. We say here this eme. Kwen paragraph eme ka jaw muong. Kwen paragraph eme ka jaw muong. Read this paragraph out loud. Find the main idea of this story. Find the main idea of this story. Gor me rach lang ka kwide. Story mean lang. Lang. Find the main idea of this story. Gor me rach lang ka kwide. Classroom antiquity. Lusni du kadul gora. Lusni du kadul gorka kie chengten kontin deri losre dwel gora. Me jin student kie gadul gora me ngeke te ka ngwane te deri lot. Kenta to chwalka ke classroom antiquity. Lusni du kadul gora. Number 1, be respectful to your teacher and classmates. Be respectful to your teacher and classmate. Lusni ngidu kana masni ku redwel gora. Lusni ngidu kana masni ku redwel gora. Masni ku redwel gorka chalka ke classmate. Your teacher ngidu respectful lusni du kadwar. Lusni ngidu kana masni ku redwel gorka. Be respectful to your teacher and classmates. Number 2, speak in English as much as possible. Lamne arachi katok English nicha. Lamne arachi katok English nicha. Ki lamne arachi katok English west and down and chirod realeka ki chijak. Keep your classroom clean and organized. Keep your classroom clean and organized. Yobdul gora ke yedu keja. Kana reale du ka kwaktin te tin chet ka bogne kana kwamne. Kana kwamne. No. Keep your classroom clean and organized. Yobdul gora ka ye du ka ja kana reale du ka kwaktin te tin chet ka bogne kana kwamne. Mr. Chop after here, it means that you fully cover this lesson, and I believe that you get something out of this topic. En mishi koning ya ja mishi chup ka pega me nyoda je gwano teka mutod mishi jekten madong de jelak. Liama jeno ko subscribe ke jinbo kuja nywaka nasin ko kien ko bikane jek bana nyogo jek ka lesson dodian this is what I would like to tell you. If you are new to Nuer Tube channel, I would like you to comment, share, subscribe. Okay, uh, this way it will help me to, or it can motivate me to create or come up with more video that can help others. Okay, this lesson is prepared by Chankornyak. Let's meet in the next lesson. Bye bye.